Know about the computer. A computer is a machine that works on electricity. It is a combination of hardware and software components. It can be compared to a magic box that performs multiple tasks at same time. Let's learn more about a computer. Applications of a computer. Computers are used at home to play games, listen to music, store addresses and telephone numbers, book movie tickets, and many other things. Computers are used in schools to prepare lessons and result of students, teach different subjects, and provide information to make projects. Computers are used in offices to maintain employee records, communicate important information through emails, and many other things. Computers are used to create advertisements and animated films. Computers are used in libraries, research and space centers, hospitals, airlines, railway reservation offices, and many other places for commercial purposes. Organization of computer components. A computer consists of 5 functionally independent main parts: input units, memory units, arithmetic logic unit ALU, output unit, and control unit. Program and data. Input unit, memory unit, output unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, central processing unit. The input device accepts the instructions or data given to the computer by the user. This is either stored in the memory or immediately used by the processor to perform the desired operation. Finally, the results are sent to the user through output devices. All these operations are coordinated by the control unit. Input units. Instructions are fed into the computer through input devices. Whenever a key is pressed, one corresponding word or number is translated into its equivalent binary code over a cable and fed into the memory or processor. Some common input devices include keyboard, mouse, joystick, and scanner. You have already learned about them in your previous class. Let's learn about some more input devices. Barcode reader. A barcode is a computer coding system that comprises of the computer horizontal stripes of vertical bars of laying width. It represents product information such as price and place of manufacture. You might have seen barcodes on clothes, electronics, and food packets. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is used for reading printed barcodes. It consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor. Optical mark reader (OMR). Optical mark reader is a device that reads OMR sheets used in objective type exams. OMR sheet has circles that need to be filled with a dark pencil or ink. When the light beam is passed through this sheet, the marked area reflects less light than the unmarked ones. In this way, the optical mark reader recognizes the darkened circles. The use of OMR is not limited to schools and colleges. Nowadays, even business and healthcare agencies use OMR to streamline their data input to reduce errors. Optical character reader (OCR). Optical character reader takes normal printed or handwritten text as input. It creates a digital image of the text. Character recognition software is used to convert this image into character codes that can be understood by a computer. It is widely used to convert books and documents into electronic files. Magnetic Ink Character Reader (MICR). Magnetic ink is a special ink that contains particles of iron oxide. Magnetic ink character readers are used by banks to scan the characters printed in magnetic ink. It checks the validity of bank checks. Output unit. The output unit displays the processed information to the user. Let's learn about some output devices. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output device that displays the output on a screen. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. There are three types of monitors: cathode ray tube (CRT) monitor, liquid crystal display (LCD) monitor, and light emitting diode (LED) monitor. LCD projector. LCD projector is a type of projector based on liquid crystal display, which displays images, data, or videos. It is commonly used in meetings, presentations, seminars, and conferences. Printer. Printer prints the output on the paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, and laser printers. Dot matrix printer. It works very similar to a typewriter and creates the impression by striking on the paper. It produces output in black and white. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer produces hard copy by spraying ink onto a paper. It produces output both in black and white and in color. Laser printer. A laser printer uses laser beam and dry ink to produce hard copy. It gives a very high quality output. Memory unit. Memory unit stores program data. Memory unit consists of two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is also called main memory. This memory is directly accessed by the CPU for reading and storing. Primary memory is further divided into two types: read-only memory (ROM) and random access memory (RAM). You have already learnt about this memory in the previous class. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store large amount of data and programs. It is also called permanent memory because it is non-volatile. The information that is less frequently accessed is kept in secondary memory. Magnetic disks and tapes, optical disks and pen drive are a few examples of secondary memory. Central Processing Unit (CPU). The Central Processing Unit (CPU) is the brain of a computer, where the processing of input data is done. The CPU consists of two components. Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU). It performs arithmetic and logic operations. Arithmetic instructions include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, while logic instructions include AND, OR, NOT, and XOR operations. Control Unit. Control unit is a piece of hardware that manages the activities of peripherals. It extracts instructions from memory, decodes and executes them. Advantages of a computer. Computer has become a necessity in today's world. Computer stores large amount of data. Few advantages of a computer are as follows. It stores large amount of data. It performs tasks at a high speed. It performs calculations quickly and accurately. It does repeated work with same speed and accuracy. It reduces the paperwork.